10 here. I'm back again the next day. You know, I have a pretty freaky schedule. And guess what? I got the rocker outfit. Yes, I got everything except for the hair. I don't like the hair. So I'm here with my buddy. Anyways, I'm here with my buddy Cookie Cat. Yeah, you know, we've been buddies for a few minutes now. And yeah, my awesome wolf 19. Trade you later. But anyways, so I got free chat, and for some reason my email account isn't working. It's bugging out for some reason, so I cannot change my name for a while. I mean, I'll figure it out at some point, but I will change it and stuff. So let's see. I don't have a lot of things, but I have quite a bit. And yeah, see, I'm wearing the entire rocker set except for the hair. I do not like the hair. Okay, so let's buddy you because we've been buddies for a few seconds now. And whenever they say yes to my buddy request, see, it lags out whenever that happens. So I can't do this all the time, but the jacket doesn't look quite right on Arctic Wolves. So first person to comment on this video and who loves it and has Animal Jam, write up your name, your username. Don't tell me your password. Never tell anyone your password. It's like the worst idea ever. But write up your username, your user, and I will gift you the rocker jacket. Oh. Yeah, if you're an Arctic Wolf, just keep in mind it does not quite look doesn't look quite right because this is practically that you're practically wearing this fur right here. So what? You poop. Well, anyways, so and today's challenge will actually be getting rid of my rocker jacket in return for something else that is not in store, that is not in the diamond shop or any store around anymore. So I don't care what it is, we just have to get rid of this rocker jacket. I don't care how, but I do care for what. Actually, there's one way that I don't want to do it, and that's like just get rid of it and discard it. I'm gonna save it and stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Live for free at my den hotel. Oh. You're the same person who we went to for the party. And then you locked us all out. I'm not going to your den. You're gonna lock us out again. Hey, that's right. Okay, now let's look for something. Let's get something nice. Spikes are my goal right now, and I don't. Live for free in my amazing den. Nah, girlfriend. No way. Oh, and I just realized if you can't hear me very well. Weird things are happening. Hang on. Ow. Oh. Ow. Okay, can you hear me better now? You probably can't. Because yesterday, if you don't remember, my friend Erika was over here, so I moved the microphone. Oh. This is the most beautiful display of items I've ever seen. I'm crying. There's tears rolling down my cheeks. This is bad, isn't it? This is bad, yet I'll give you a rocker jacket. I have to give them something nice, like the best thing I have. I'll actually literally give them my studded collar. I will. I don't care if I lose it. For this, it's worth it. And then I'll give them my rare dual samurai swords. And my special elf armor. Like my rare elf. They're gonna be like, isn't this a bit much? No, it is not a bit much. It is never a bit much for a headdress. Actually, it is. This is worth more than this. So this is like 4 times better than that. I'm giving you... You poop. You poop. That's all I'm going to say. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm going to buddy this person just in case. Like, okay. Oh my god. This person has a purplish blue one. Oh yeah, this one's like blue. It's not purple. The purple one has like purple. But cool head. Oh, thanks. Just wow. Rare Cupid wings. Rare spiked collars. Yay. Is this... oh jeez. Ow. I hurt my elbow by banging it into my bathroom door frame. Because we have a counter along the wall of our bathroom. And then the door frame kind of sticks out. So I was walking forward, putting up my hair. And then all of a sudden, bang! And there's this excruciating pain just shooting through my elbow. And I could not bend it. I could not bend it for a while. It was not broken, but I just couldn't bend it. Because it hurt so bad. It still does hurt, and I just, like, shoved my arm backward. And I think I messed it up even more. I'm so sad I couldn't get that, though. Okay, can this person at least buddy me? Like, will you not ignore me? Can you not ignore me for a second? Shut up and love me. Just kidding. Yay, school my dad. I'm trying to complete a challenge here, and I can't do it when there is a huge lag spike. Oh my freaking god. Is this seriously the same person? Okay, this cannot be the same person, is it? It is. Okay, let's buddy this person because I want to be buddies. Please be my buddy. Please, oh please be my buddy. Please, 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 please be my buddy. Yeah, this is also worth more than that. So if you say no, I kill you. My feelings. My feelings. Okay, let's do this. What you want for Spike? What you want for Spike? That's right, I'm talking to you. Yeah, what do you want for Spike? Does anyone have an extra purple warn they don't want? No! No one ever has extra anything. Fun fact, rare purple warns are quite rare. Okay, what? I asked you a question. What you want for Spike? Can you just answer it? Like, cheese and sprinkles. Cheese and sprinkles. Answer my question. What you want for Spike? Oh, jeez, I joked. What you want for Spike? Oh, jeez, what did I press? Get rid of this. OMG! Get it out of here. I fixed it with my epic coding skills. By coding skills, I mean I just had to press a single button. Yeah, that counts as coding skills. Can you please just buddy me? Otherwise, I'll keep pressing it. See, when this turns colored again, that means they, like, don't want me as their buddy anymore. They unaccept you as a buddy. Which hurts my feelings. I feel like a monster. You guys should recognize that song by Eminem from oh geez. That ain't worth nothing to me. To me, it's not worth anything. This stud is very, very important to me. Because I don't have a spike, so what else am I supposed to size? Party my den, free gifts. Oh, I thought you said free gluten. Gluten free. I like switched around my words, and I read them wrong too. Am I becoming an idiotic dyslexic? No, not being rude to any people who are dyslexic, like, because I already have like half a brain, if you must know, and I'm also, I feel like I'm becoming word dyslexic, so I hate lag. Okay, I got it. I'm there. I'm at her den. Yay! Let's watch a caterpillar crawling. No, that's too boring. Watch, and then when I leave, and then I come back, the TV's still on. Oh no, I'm wasting energy. Free gifts? I don't know what that means. But we Arctic wolves are the more important wolves. We are awesome. Oh my gosh! It's all going down my throat. This will never be seen again. This is like dessert table of my dreams. Is that pumpkin pie? Yes. I just had some pumpkin pie, now raspberry. Now eat this, apple pie. Apple pie. Yeah, gumballs, even the ones on the table. And donuts are all gone. Haha. Okay. Is it still gonna be empty? Okay, I want a free gift. I'm just here to partay. Oh my god, did it autocorrect me? No. Great, it changed my partay to a boring party. Jeez. Party rockin'. Party rockin'. Party rockin' in the house. Oh yeah, it didn't autocorrect this one. Party rockin' in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah, we gonna make you lose your mind. Hashtag I can sing. Awesome. Do. Oh boy. I hate it when the lag comes. I bet you all too, because it's so boring for you. I mean, just poop. Okay, there's nothing in the kitchen. You know, people choose this. Okay, I just wanted to say something. That people choose this as their number one on Five Nights at Freddy's roleplay house dens because it's got like the dinner area, and then what they would do is they would take like banners or something or curtains or something, and they would make a little spot for Foxy and Mangle over here. And then what they would do is they'd have like 3 tables over here, or a stage, like if you get one, if you can get one, just a table would even be nice. They'd have Chica, Foxy, and no, not Foxy. Foxy's over here. Chica, Freddy, and Bonnie over there. Jeez, do I even Five Nights at Freddy's? Yes. It was the most terrifying moment of my life. I will never make that mistake again. God, it was scary. I will never do it again. Never. And if you saw my last video and you saw that glitch with the elf bracelets, send in a video of you doing it yourself. Like, send me a video of you doing it. Send me a video of you doing it. Or try to. Try. Because I'm not going to give out my personal info. No. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here you go. Now we have to wait for that. That tiger is adorable. I wonder if a little kid made that. Or if that's specially programmed. But what I did realize is that the snowflake is covering some kind of animal. Oh, cheese and sprinkles. I'll be back in a second. Are you kidding me? That is complete flubber. Oh my gosh. So this kid at my school, I still go to school. And this kid, he made the funniest thing ever. If you guys know who Boba Fett is, he drew a whale and he drew Boba Fett's mask on it. I am so sorry about this crazy lag. And he called him Blubberfett. I'll be back in a second. I'm going to try and fix this again. I'm back and I think I fixed it. It's more agile than ever. Even if it does have like little lag spikes, that still means it's super agile, guys. Because you know how bad my computer is. I'm going to get a new one too. Okay, so I'm pretty happy right now with how it's working. So let's see if my Jamagram... Oh, jeez. Oh, it worked! Oh my gosh, yes. What did I get? I'll keep it. I don't like pink. I don't necessarily like pink, but I'll take it. I might be able to trade it for something else. I like buddying people who constantly have parties and stuff. Okay, who constantly have parties and stuff. So then if they have another one, or if I have to log out and I break down, then I can always come back on. Some of my buddies. Oh, my friend is on. Hey. Let's visit her den. Ooh, oh my gosh. This is nice. This is like quality. I cannot give you any more information than that she is my friend at school. And so, as Jamagram was saying. So we have a weird way of saying each other's names because we can't actually do it. Like, I have free chat now, so I can say their name properly, but I pressed H and something happened. Okay. Hey. So Okay, so. Hey. Eat me. You're done. Once we get out of here, let's listen to what music she has. What music does, oh geez. What music does she have? Yeah, the natural stuff. Yeah. Part of it, I do take that we're not supposed to go past here, but I'm going through here anyways. Rule breaker. Oh geez, what is this? Okay, let's turn the music off because I heard this way too many times this weekend. Okay, I'm sorry about that terrifyingly manly scream. Honestly, I think it sounded like this. Oh no, it sounded like. But my computer crashed for a few seconds there, and I had to fix it. And so I have decided that we aren't, while my computer's crashed, that we shall not do today's challenge. Instead, we shall do a different challenge. Well, it's not really a challenge, it's more of a fun thing. And I just got Cosmo's Den because I just got like a ton of diamonds. I used to have at least 20, and I spent them all. But, so, what am I doing? We are going to go check out my new den, Cosmo's Den. The Cosmo's Den one. And, we're going to decorate it, you know. And my theme is warrior cats because I personally really, really love it. All you warrior fans. So, write up in the comment section, #warriorcatsforlife, and that's another way you can get my rocker jacket. Because it looks pretty cool from the back, though. I want to put this here. No! Not the... Why does that thing have to be so freaking big? There we go. Put that right there. That looks nice, but, and that's what your den. I have so many dens. I mean, seriously, I don't even know why I need these all. I think I'm gonna get rid of one or two. See, I've got the beach house, I've got Greely's hideout. Can I get rid of this? Wait, can I get rid of my little den? Ugh! How much would Sky Kingdom be? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of things. But let's stop. But Cosmo's Den, I kind of like it because it's nice. It's like warrior cats kind of themed. That underground burrow one though is also pretty good for warrior cats because anything with a lot of space, like lots of space is good. Space, good. Like outdoor space. Ooh, yes. See, this is pretty nice. Oh God. See, this is some pretty nice outdoor space here, and I just really like the inside. So when we start editing, we need to find like nice warrior cat stuff. And so, yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what we're gonna definitely need is we're gonna need to put up this wolf totem. Right here. No. It's gonna be floating. No. Gotta find a spot for this. I'll be back in a few seconds. This is terrifyingly slow. Hey, what's up, people? I came back and I started working on the place because, you know, I thought it would be boring setting some of this set up. And, I turned on the music because I was feeling so lonely. You guys have no idea. It was so quiet here. And, so I decided to turn on the music. And, what did I have to say? Yeah, I just just wanted you guys but seriously, I needed you guys. I was so freaking, like, it was horrible. It was such bad lag. Now, let's get some plushies, you know. Because who does not want plushie prey? I know that I do. Well, that's actually a perfect spot to hide that. So let's move over here, wherever this goes, where that goes. Move the fox over here. Yes, there we go. Little red panda plushie. That's a good one. Let's sit over here. Eco plush. Let's move him over here, like at the roots of this tree. Why did I move that? Jeez, the lag. Whenever I move this, it always lags. It's the randomest thing ever. Drop it, mouse. Drop it. I'm throttling my mouse right now. Okay, and now let's find a spot to put my bunny plushie. Why does this have to be so difficult? Come back here, bunny. If I did it here. There we go, now I can pick it up. I was planning on putting my bunny plush right over here by these mushrooms. In this corner because I don't have much in here. There we go. Aha! And then I was planning on putting my Arctic Wolf plushie in here. This will be where like the fresh kill pile is, if you all know. So a few more of the plushies will be right here. So there's gonna be a guy sleeping right here, you know, just chilling. And I have a few cheetah plushies. I actually think I only have one now. Oh my gosh! Why does it have to lag so bad? I hate this. I hate this so much. Okay, thank you guys for being such troopers and figuring out a way through this. Because this is so boring. Oh my god, okay. I think I broke my... One little Arctic Wolf plushie, I know you want to be my friend. Okay, what did I do to my mouse? I think I broke my mouse. Oops! Dang, I pressed the wrong button. I think I broke my mouse. I'll be back. Okay, I know today was a total flop. I did not get anything done. But I got something. And so now I am sorry, but I have to end it here. Because the timer went off like a while. But anyways, so bye. I love you. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to comment. Try and remember what it was. Go back in the video and check out what it was. But remember, comment those two hashtags, and the first one to comment both and give me a good reason will get my rocker diamond. And another reason is because do you see how weirdly my mouse is moving? I'm not moving it that slowly. I'm actually moving it really quickly right now. And for some reason it's broken, like it's doing opposite of what I'm doing. So I'll figure out how to fix this, but alright, bye, stay up, be awesome, and stay chill, people.